Hi everyone, welcome back to Bochiknot Macrame's knot series. We will be going over the cat's paw hitch today. As you can see, the knot does resemble a cat's paw, hence the name. This is a unique mounting knot rarely used, but it can definitely be creatively used for wall hangings and plant hangers. To begin the knot, we will first attach a strand of cord folded in half onto an object such as a dowel, using a lark's head knot. Once the cord ends are through the loop end, leave the loop end loose. Pull on the loop end downwards slightly. Then taking the right cord, start wrapping it around the loop from the outside to the inside 3 times. If you are interested in checking out other knots in my knot series playlist, be sure to check out the suggestions in the top right hand corner or the link in the video description below. I have started to release weekly knot tutorials on the channel. If you enjoy these tutorials, then make sure you click subscribe and turn on notifications for the knot series. Once the right side is done, you can move on to the left cord and do the same thing and wrap it around the loop on the left side 3 times. If you are interested in any of the materials used in today's tutorial, check out the links in the video description below. You have now completed the cat's paw hitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what your comments are in the comment section below, and let me know if there are any other knots you would like to learn. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.